Hello and welcome. Let's begin in a prayer posture and take your hands for a nice big circle behind your head, way out in front. Try to reach back behind your head. Real slow and intentional movement to begin. We're just going to spend 10 minutes or so together, bending and twisting, stretching and squatting to see if we can't continue to create incredible mobility and strength in our bodies, and ultimately give us that trust and confidence in the capabilities of our bodies and our minds. Begin to reverse the circle now. Shift your body weight from side to side. We are building strength in our legs, in our core with this movement as we create this wonderful mobility in the upper back, and our shoulders. You may feel a little uncomfortable when you bring your arms back behind your head. Just do your very best as always. Modify each movement to suit your needs. You are perfect wherever you're at. You're here, you're moving. That's most important. Don't forget to smile while we move as well. Okay, let's go one more big round. Oh, nicely done. So from here, let's keep our hands in prayer and just begin to sort of pendulum from side to side. Nice side bend. Feel that in the side obliques. Come up off your heel on one side, helping to continue to create wonderful balance, coordination. Now breathe into one side and out to the other, and bring all your presence and awareness into this movement. And you're going to begin to feel it in the shoulders. I think I can. You can do more. The mind will tell us, I have to quit. The body can keep going. Yeah. Just a couple more. Over to the side. Well done. Excellent. Let's sink down a little bit. So this modified clapjack, bring your knee up as high as you can. We'll keep the arms down nice and low to give our shoulders a little bit of a break. But see if you can't clap your hands underneath your leg. You go with a little bit of pace if you like. You go very slowly. So pace is going to help with cardiovascular endurance. Wonderful. You want to go a little slower? Now we're going to work on a little bit more hip mobility, balance. Choose your own adventure. Ooh, kind of side to side is a nice movement as well. Maybe those arms come up just a little bit more now. Ooh, we decided to go with pace, I guess. All right. Just let whatever movement you desire take hold and go with it. Movement. It is there to bring us joy, wonder. Yeah, and be curious if you can't do something. That's all right. I'm just not there yet. No striving, nowhere to get to. Just movement for the sake of movement. Oh, nicely done. Last one there. Great. I like to think of this as the ankle twister. Gentle twist. We do many times. This is one of the most remarkable movements. Just to get up and do this for 30 seconds can change your state. But when you twist with the ankle down below, really turn it. Turn into it and feel that wonderful mobility that you're generating and creating in the ankle in this movement as well. So it's just a standard twist, but get very, very dynamic down below. Really feel it deep into your ankles. We often neglect the ankles. Create that wonderful mobility down below. I can do it really great to this side. This side I'm a little limited. No problem. Focus on what we can do. Just not there yet. Keep those arms up nice and high. Feel that. Some great shoulder work happening today. Just so that we can carry our groceries home with strength. You know it. Oh, yeah. Remember to breathe real intentionally. Big inhale and exhale. Ah. Ah. Well done. Okay. Leg strength. Squat down. Rise up. Push your hands down when you squat. Bring it in, breathe in, breathe in. Exhale, push down. Breathe in. Exhale. Really fill up your lungs. Breathe in. Exhale, squat and push down. Maybe we pick up the pace just a little bit. Sometimes you're breathing too much. That burning sensation in the nostrils, you know that? Oh my, yes. Ooh. Oh yes, how wonderful the cold is. The heat, the rain, the wind. We embrace it all here. One more, down, nicely done. Step. Drag your foot across. Bring that toe up off the ground. Arm out very far and twist a bit. Get long with your arm. Feel that stretch in your shoulder, the tricep and the upper back. Head up high. Breathe in and out. Yeah. Just find that movement. Flow here for a moment or two. Watch the monkey mind. Know where to get to. This is the most important moment of the day. Now, and carry that with you for the rest of the day. Bring ultimate presence into everything we do. Keep that arm up nice and high. Really reach and stretch it out. One more to each side. Lovely. Let's continue building that strength. Just, first of all, bring your feet together. Narrow stance. Arms up and pulse. There's going to be a lot going on here in this movement. Pulse the arms and then begin to turn your head and look to each side. Neck, upper back mobility. Strengthen the arms and the shoulders. When our feet are in a narrow stance like this, it's helping us with core stability and balance. Sometimes English is a difficult language. Pulse those arms, do your best, keep them up nice and high. Yeah, you're gonna feel it. It's gonna challenge you right here. Just stick with me. Turn that head. You got it, just a couple more. Keep those arms up, keep them up. Pulse, pulse. Come on. I think I can. Let's go for a little longer. We can do it. My shoulders are burning too. Come on, smile at it. Yes. Oh, that's it. Be grateful for the challenge. I can do this. I am strong. Okay, almost there. Pulse, pulse, pulse. Well done. Just shake. Cross your arms. Oh, and just a little gentle side step. Oh, that feels nice. That movement right there now. Oh, we got to push ourselves, challenge ourselves sometimes, for then these moments just feel so grand. Oh, well done. Okay, one more movement to finish off our session. I'm going to try hard here. We're going to shift our body weight from side to side. Sort of like the penguin that we do. I guess that really is. But I want to exaggerate it a little bit more. Now just bring all your attention, all your awareness into this last movement of this session. You can connect to your breath. Just shift your weight from side to side. Hold it for as long as you like. Continue to practice having amazing balance so that when we're out in the snow and the ice, we truly do have confidence in our trust in our bodies. Be playful. I can only hold it on this leg for a very short amount of time. Again, just focus on what we can do. I'll get there. As will you, whatever you want to achieve. Oh, one more to each side. I'm going to hold this for an extra moment. Oh, yes. And then, brilliant. Well done. Oh, just one moment. Let's just take it all in. Just stand, mountain pose, head up high. Just connect to your breath. Just take everything we've done, all of it in. Wow. Just move for the sake of movement. How blessed are we? Thank you, thank you, thank you. See you tomorrow. Have a remarkable day. Goodbye.